Step 10. Testing of electronics. We have made cavities for servo motor as we discussed in tutorial 4. We put servo motors in these cavities and are tested by our pilot. We use rods to connect servo motors with control horns which are placed on ailerons. After assuring the correct position, we test all servo motors simultaneously. We did thrust test which unfortunately we couldn't shoot. Step 11. Flight. Flight of H 540 is done in three phases: flight test, flight for maneuvers, flight for payload. We experience the same problem that the net movement of spar is not zero. So we use another method to make net movement zero. We increase the nose of plane such that net movement of spar comes out to be zero. Flight tests ensure that the flight characteristics should be close enough to that we use for designing. Maneuvers are a series of moves that require skills. It includes barrel roll, vertical loop, hammerhead. Third test include the payload dropping on a specified region through an aircraft. Payload mechanism depends on the engagement or disengagement of servo motor which is connected to the fuselage. Hope you like these tutorials. If you want to add something, write your view in the comments below.